Hi guys, Laz here, and in this video we're going to be talking about adding products to our store. So this is a super important video, guys. We're going to be going into AliExpress, pretty much importing products into Oberlo, and then with Oberlo using them to push them to our store. So there's a number of ways to do this. The way that I like to do it the most is going on actually on AliExpress. But there's ways to do this on Oberlo as well. And if you want to do it through Oberlo, I'm just gonna show this real quickly just so that you know that it is available to you. You can go on this second tab right here and put search products. And then you could just enter a keyword here. So let's say dog toy. Okay, so we can see these products here. Now these are all Oberlo supply. Let me see. I guess we can add them to our import list too. So right here. And basically you can add any of these products. It says $2 e-packet right here. See if we find anything at a good price. I guess this looks pretty good. So basically what you can do here is just go here, click add to import list, and this has already been added to your import list. So it's as easy as that. That gets added to Oberlo now. And you can just go through this. Let's just keep adding a few more. So this is like a huge tennis ball. This is actually pretty cool. So we'll go on here and put add to import list. See if we can find anything else. That looks promising. We can go to the next page. These balls look like they're popular. Let's see. Look at this shirt. It's like a little winter clothes for puppies. A little sweater. Let me see. I skip through some stuff here. So we continue. Go on through this. Yeah, so I'm just going through this just to show you like how many things are on here. And you can just, just basically add anything that you think is a good product. Now these dog clothes, I mean, they're kind of hit or miss, I think. More miss than anything, just because of the sizing and all that stuff. I'm kind of looking for a product that I can just, like this right here. It's like a adjustable collar with a little bandana. So I'm gonna add that. Yeah. So then these products have been added to our import list, and then you access the import list right here on the same tab. You go to import list, and as you can see, our three products are here, and it gives you the option of pushing a shop. But we're not going to push them to the shop just yet. We're actually going to go on AliExpress and search for products there as well. So let's go back on here and let's add some of these products. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. I'm interested in that one. We have these glow and LED dog collars. Now, when you're looking at these prices, make sure you pay attention to this e-packet up here. That's the method of shipping we're going to be using, and it tells you how much the shipping costs. So, for example, this one is costing you 144 plus 115, so around like $2.60 to to for this item right here. And look at this one. This one is the same exact thing, just a lot more expensive. So we'll go with this one. Let's see what else we got. This looks like exactly what we added, but it is a lot cheaper here, as you can see. So we're probably going to add this one instead. Get rid of the other one. Let me see. Continue downward. We're going to add this dog water bottle. And we're going to add this right here. Now, yeah, take into account the e-packet price, as you can see here and here. So this one's actually cheaper than this one, even though the price even though this price looks more expensive. Because of the shipping, this one's actually cheaper. So we're gonna add this right here. Okay, guys, so let's check out these products here. And yeah, we're basically gonna go ahead and add these. So this one has pretty decent images. This is something that we want to pay attention to when we're adding these products because sometimes the images could be a little uh, not good and we're gonna have to change them up later, but this one looks okay. Like we can work with this. So once we find this product that we like, we can do one or two things. We can click right here where it says push this product to Oberlo, or we can actually just click up here and add to import list on the extension. So we're going to click add to import list and it says product imported successfully. So we're good with this one here. And we'll close this one. And then we have these collars right here. Now, as you can probably tell, we can't use this image, or we want to stay away from using this because of this watermark that you can see here. Makes it look like really unprofessional. You don't want to have any images like that with watermarks in them. These look okay. We can use these. So we'll go on ahead, also add these. So go up here, add to import list, and then product imported successfully. We're good there. And we're just gonna do this again with these other products that we're adding. So add to import list. You're gonna add that too. And it's as simple as that, guys. Just here adding these products to the import list. So we're good there. Alright, so we're gonna close this out. And we're actually gonna head on over back to Oberlo. We're gonna click import list again because now we have more products in there. Here they are, guys. I wonder if they use the same exact dog for both these pictures. Looks very similar. Uh, so we're gonna go down, check this out. So yeah, remember these bandanas? I said that they were the same thing. They might be different sizes. 15 millimeter. But as you can see, we're getting these for a price of 117, and I think the shipping was a little bit more expensive. 117, 284 e-packet, and let's check that other one real quick. So we're getting these for 116. Let's check the pricing on that. 116, and we want to select the e-packet option. 135. So it's a little bit. It's actually like a good dollar more expensive the other ones. So we're probably gonna get rid of the other ones and just keep this one. Well, it's a lot more. It's a lot cheaper. So we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of this one. Let me see. Okay. Yep. So we're gonna get rid of these guys. Click there. Remove product. Okay, perfect. So now what we have to do here is actually push the products to our shop. Right now they're just on this import list on Oberlo. And for them to go onto our store, we actually have to push these products. So there's a bunch of different ways of doing this, guys. And we're just gonna, for right now, we're not gonna focus too much on the titles of the products and the description because you can edit all of that here. But we will focus that in a later video. Here we're just trying to import these products. So for now, we're just gonna keep the default name, the default description. All we're gonna change for this is the price. So as a default, AliExpress doubles the price that it cost you. So for example, this thing is gonna cost us $42.81 plus give or take some shipping there, like $2. And AliExpress has already set this price to twice the cost. Now usually what we like to do anywhere from $10 to $25 margins, sometimes 30, depending on the product. Now this looks like a pretty unique product, so I think we can go on the higher end of things here. So for a product like this, we'd probably do like 74.95 or 69.95, something like that. So I'm just gonna go 69.95 on this one, and we'll say that the compare at price, sorry about that, is $100. So 9.99, or we'll just put it at $100. And so yeah, they're basically saving like $30 on this item theoretically. But yeah, we're going to do that there. We're just gonna go through all the prices, guys, and just modify these prices for now. We're gonna leave everything else not selected. So here we're gonna change this price. We're getting this for $1.70 plus give or take $2 on shipping. So we can probably sell this for 14.95 to $20 depending on what we think is a good margin. I'm going to place it at 14.95, and I'm going to compare that at 24.95. So it's a $10 savings on that. We're going to continue here with these, so we can actually change all the prices at once if we have multiple variants. So this is costing us 58 cents plus, like, so about $2 plus like a dollar or something for shipping. So about $2. So we can probably do 14.95 on this too. We can actually do 19.95. It's a cool little item, and we'll do a compare at 29.95. And let's change all of those at once, and we'll click apply. So here we're good with that. And this next product here, want to do the same thing here. So it's costing us 144. We're gonna set the new value, and we're gonna say 14.95, and we'll compare at 19.95. So we're good with that. Continuing, guys. This is just, I guess it's very, you just got to go through these products, see what it's costing you, and basically give it a good markup, and just give yourself some room, so when you're advertising, you want to make a good margin on these items. But yeah, like I said, 10 to like $30 uh, on a profit margin. That's pretty good. We try to keep it around there, somewhere in that range. So just keep that in mind when pricing these products. Say 14.95. Say 24.95. Change all the prices. And all these things, guys, you can actually edit everything here and here. Everything that comes in, you can actually edit it once it's on the Shopify store, which I prefer to do, because I mean, this is great and all, but the way that it looks at the end is going to be very different. So I just like to edit everything once it's already on the Shopify store. And the only thing I'm editing here is the prices, because generally when you push the item, it goes live on your Shopify store. So we're gonna edit this price. So it's $4. I think this ball we can charge pretty big amount, $24.95 for the ball, and we'll compare that at $50. So we're giving a 50% off on the ball. And then for this toy, we're going to do, we'll do 19.95. So they're actually different toys. We'll do 19.95. Just for simplicity's sake, we'll just keep the same pricing and compare these at, so we'll actually do 19.95 here, and then we'll compare them at, we'll put them as a price of, let's say 14.95. Okay, guys. So yeah, so we went through all these products, we changed the pricing, and now we're going to push these to our shop. So if all the products are already good to go and edited, you can push them individually, or you can just push them all at once. And since all these products are going up to our store, we want to add all of them. We're just gonna push them all at once. Push all the products. Are you sure you want to push all the products to your shop? You're gonna click yes. So now it says your import list is empty. It's because they were all pushed. And you can actually go here to my products, and they should appear right here. So here they are, guys. Yep. So here they are, guys. So these products are already pushed. Now, something to keep in mind is that, so they should appear here in your product section. Here they are, guys. So these products are already pushed. Now keep in mind that, let's select this right here. And it didn't add the pictures. So we might have to go back, add some of these pictures here that we got from our Oberlo app. I don't know why I didn't import those. Maybe it's just taking some time. But anyways, guys, yeah, these products are now uploaded to our store. We have them there. Now we just have to edit this, and that's what we're going to be doing in the next video. We're going to be editing the title, the description, all that good stuff, all the images. We'll be going through this all. So, see you guys in the next video.